Hello friends, it's Emma here. Today we're going to draw a bright heart with beautiful rainbow colors. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, I'll draw a soft and balanced outline of the heart. Take your time so the curves look nice and smooth. Once that's done, we'll trace over it again so the heart stands out even more. Now comes my favorite part, coloring. Red. At the very top, I'll use a bright red. Red reminds me of juicy ripe apples. Orange. Next is a warm orange, just like a gentle sunset. Color it evenly so the shades blend smoothly. Yellow. The next part will be a sunny yellow, bright like the morning sunshine. It already feels so warm just looking at it. Green. After that is a cool green, which makes me think of endless grassy fields. Be careful not to let the green spill over into the yellow. Blue. Finally, at the very bottom, we'll use a calm and refreshing blue, like a peaceful river. And just like that, our rainbow heart is complete. Doesn't it look both adorable and full of energy? I'm so happy to draw with you today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.